My name is Laura Osborne and I am the Office Manager at the Medicines Manufacturing Innovation Centre. Before joining CPI, I had over 20 years experience managing events and sales within hospitality. In my previous role, my job could be anything from planning a wedding right up to hosting an international football team. I was looking for a change in direction for my career, but I also had a lot of skills I felt was transferable. I think it was very clear from the interview stage that there was very much a people culture for CPI. They seemed very nurturing, as well as giving people opportunities to develop and grow as well, and I was really interested in that side of things. Every day is completely different. I really enjoy the diversity of the job. I think it's really interesting, and I've had opportunities to go and have tours of the labs, which was fantastic. It was really interesting to see what everyone's working on. Everyone's got a really important role, and I think the role as office manager is maybe the bit of the jigsaw in the middle that hopefully keeps everything else working and flowing. We've got outstanding AV within this facility. We have the capacity to hold up to 250 delegates, and I really think there's nothing else in this particular area similar to what we have, so we've got something quite unique. I really enjoy my work. You've always got to think on your feet. There's things changing constantly. No matter how busy you are, at 5 o'clock you put off your laptop and you go home and you have your family time. It's been brilliant. It's exactly what I expected it to be.